Hi, in today's video I'll show you what to do after changing the wheels on your Tesla and why the wheel size in the computer matters. Entering the wrong wheel size has a huge impact on your car's range. I'll show you a quick example of the range difference between 18 and 19-inch wheels, and later I'll show you how to set it up correctly in the car. As you can see, the vehicle on 18-inch wheels has 321 miles of range. After selecting 19-inch wheels, the range drops by as much as 18 miles. So, what exactly should you do after swapping your wheels? On the screen, tap the car icon. Go to Service and then select Wheel. Choose the type of wheels you've installed and select their correct diameter. Hit the Confirm button and you're all set. Subscribe for more.